Hi, my name's Adjunct Professor Steve Wiideman, and I will be your instructor for SEO Tools and Analytics. This is a course where we get to explore the full gamut of how we research and audit and find opportunities to enhance our search engine optimization campaign. So we're going to be looking at tools such as Google Analytics or GA4. We're going to be looking at Google Search Console and other free tools like that. We're also going to look at commercial tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs and Screaming Frog and all these other names that you're going to get acclimated to as you get into the course. We're going to have a lot of fun exploring different ways that we can pull keyword insights to help with content creation. We're going to look at link insights and how we can generate links to our website, which, as you probably know, Google loves as it pertains to votes and how our website looks off the website. We're also going to look at reporting and putting together some specific reports for our clients, such as a content strategy and a link strategy and some other ways that we can use these tools to create information that will guide our clients into creating an absolutely incredible search engine optimization strategy. And I will be your host through this. And again, my name is Steve Wiideman. I look forward to working with you, look forward to seeing you in the class and sharing a lot of the case studies and some of the cool clients I've gotten to work with over the last 26 years, such as Skechers and Applebee's and IHOP and Jollibee and Dave's Hot Chicken and some other really fun brands that you're probably familiar with. Anyway, enough of me. Let's talk about you. Let's get in the class and help you to become a master at SEO by using the right SEO tools to create an incredible SEO strategy. I'll see you soon.